Hello everybody, hope you all doing fine. I am back with yet another episode of Login House, and in today's video I'm gonna guide you through how to download and install ebook. So an ebook is a book presented in a format that allows you to read it on an electronic device like a computer or handheld device like a mobile phone. So several books that are available in printed versions can be found as ebooks. So these include everything from best-selling fictions, classics to reference and academic texts. So this app is really productive, guys. You can read any books as per your interest on this app. So if you are interested to enter in the world of ebook and explore with many of the books you like, then you have to install it first. To learn how to install it, keep watching the video till the end and do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now, in order to install and download ebooks, first of all tap on Play Store. After tapping on Play Store, you will be provided with this interface on your mobile screen. So go ahead on the search box and search for ebooks. So while searching for ebooks, you have to type smart ebooks on the search box. So after you tap smart ebooks, the ebook app will be presented on your screen. So tap on the green button of install on the top right corner in order to install this app. So after tapping on there, you are almost done with all the procedures. Now you just have to wait for it to get installed. So have some patience, guys. Impressive, it was really fast. So guys, this is it. Now you can tap on open to explore books as per your interest. So enjoy, guys. This is how we can easily install and download ebooks. So I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial like this. Goodbye till then.